Ito yung magandang attraction din dito sa Singapore. This is my second time to come here. Dati renovation pa siya, ngayon okay na, open na siya for the public. Napaka-colorful niya. So, aakyatin pa namin yan hanggang dulo. Welcome daw, sabi ni Lolo. Wow, this is so nice view. So may nagsushooting dito guys. Siguro mga artista ng Singapore ito. So ayan guys, nagsushooting sila. Ito yung mga unang sasakyan noon nung hindi pa na-develop masyado yung Singapore. Ito kagaya din ng sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang, right side siya. Right, what do you call this? Right hand, ay. This is a world-famous tale of a holy monk and his 3 disciples who traveled long and far for the Western paradise to obtain Buddhist scriptures during the Tang Dynasty. So as you can see, this is the holy monk. Oh, this is the human with a pig's head. This called Pigsi. His Buddhist name, Wu Neng, signifies his awakening to power and the ability to achieve greater things. He started as a heavenly general like Sandy.
No.
See this guy's the face is like a monkey. So what do you call this guy? Monkey God battles Scarlet Child. Oh, so that's the guy is called battling countless spirits and demons throughout the 14 years journey. Monkey God met one of his strongest opponents in the form of Scarlet Child, the only son of the Ox Demon and Princess Fan. Wow. As you can see, the two-person killed the man. Killed the man with a thing inside the head, the neck. Third disciple, Sandy. Sandy is commonly known as Shasheng, Sand Monk. He was heavenly general punished to guard River Liu Sha as he was often drunk and distracted by mortal affairs. Oh, that's why. So interesting history of Singapore before. Based on the true story, Tang Dynasty Emperor Tang Taizong sent the devoted monk Xuan Zhang on a mission to obtain the precious Buddhist scriptures from the West, which is present-day India. So the India also is very big participation from the Singapore history before. The Magic Cypress Grove. Oh, this is the still until now the tree still alive. Cypress Grove. So this the tree.